Today I'm going to talk about outcomes following shoulder arthroplasty as the numbers are increasing. The reverse shoulder replacements are increasing even more rapidly than anatomic shoulder replacements, and the indications are increasing as well, including doing for acute trauma, i.e. a fracture. This study, published by Smith et al. In Journal of Shoulder and Elbow Surgery in 2024, looked at over 5,000 patients at an average of 4 years follow-up. The range from 2 to 19 years. They showed nearly 90% patients were satisfied with the results, higher percentage in patients with osteoarthritis, and slightly lower in cuff tear arthropathy, and this has been my experience as well. Just to show you an example of one of my patients who had this bilateral shoulder replacement, and these are the clinical results at 6 months. She has regained almost full range of movements. The pain has disappeared, and she's delighted with the results. I perform one of the largest numbers of shoulder replacements in England with excellent outcomes. What this study shows is reflected in my practice, that shoulder replacement improves movement and reduces pain. It is safe and effective in the correct indications. So if you are considering a reverse total shoulder arthroplasty, don't just look for a surgeon, look for a partner who takes the time to plan your recovery with you. I perform many of these as day case arthroplasty. I offer rapid access clinics across Kent and south of London. At these clinics I provide comprehensive assessment and discussion, and at the core of my practice is a shared decision-making process. Thank you for watching.